Alright guys, that red little blotch right there is the construction people's truck. Oh God. What is going on, guys? It is your boy, the Kobe Bryant of wrestling figure collecting, the Nigel Thornberry of urban exploration, and the GOAT, Josh Breezzyy. I'm here with my friend Day. Say hi, Day. What's your Instagram?
I don't even know.
Oh, all right. It'll be down in the description. Go follow her. She does urban exploring with her husband. We are here at the Texfi Plant in North Carolina. They are doing construction. I'm shooting this intro after we just did the whole building. I'm gonna do the outro right after, but smash the like button, hit subscribe, ring the bell to get notified, and let's roll that intro.
I'm the GOAT, man, I swear to God, all these other rappers claim it, but they faking a facade. What you think? Call the cops, man, it's all I ever want, only do it for the love, man.
Yeah, so there's not much left. Which kind of sucks, because it would be cool to like climb up there.
Yeah.
But it's definitely not what it used to be.
No. To look for, it's sad that a lot of people swap and destroy it.
Yeah.
Like just out. There's no way.
Wow.
What?
I don't know. Might have been some water. I heard something go like. Oh wow. I think it goes that way a little bit too. I'm going up.
All right.
It's a metal ceiling. We should be straight. Cement stairs. Haley was here, obviously. Oh, never mind. There's bees all up in that wall.
Oh, okay.
This is the third video in a row. I've been scared about bees, bro. They're literally,
Bees?
bro. Yeah, I'm allergic to bees.
Oh, are you?
They're literally in that hole right there.
Oh yeah. Okay. No.
Oh, that's wild. Damn. Maybe there's another. It looks like there's more stairs over that way. Oh, God. Yeah, bro, I get stung, I blow up like Bubba Gump. Oh, it's dark as shit in here. Let me get a flashlight up. Also, desk. Wow. Huh. Breeze. Spray paint party. Views. It's the only thing that people care about. Seeing you almost die for their entertainment.
Yeah, that is pretty entertaining. I'm not gonna lie. I be clicking on that shit.
Oh, wow. All right. So it's not really the stairs I'm worried about.
It's more the floor when you get there?
Or just popping into a bee meeting.
Oh, or that.
And definitely the floor. Now that I'm up here, I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Oh, there's definitely nails just all over the place though. All right. So it's a cement floor. So unless everything gives out, we should be all right. There's not much to see.
Not really, no.
But we made it up here, so that's all that matters.
It smells like.
The Pink Panther one is pretty cool. Yeah, I mean it was a cool shot.
Relatively newer, not no late.
All right. Maybe not.
No?
I'm gonna just go here. Still the same, still some dramatics. There's alligators in there, guys.
Spiderwebs.
Just watch your head. Watch your head. It's a lot of hanging things. Assume that was water. Keep it pushing. Supply closet.
Is there spiders on it?
Ugh. I don't know what I just stepped in, but it's not good. Set of stairs. Doesn't go far. This looks,
Mail.
yeah, that's what I was gonna assume. I wonder why they have so many slots for a factory, you know what I'm saying? I feel like unless everybody had their own mail slot.
Yeah.
So what the fuck is back here? Oh, it doesn't go anywhere. There's just this creepy string hanging.
I know, I see that.
I thought it was like for the light maybe, but it's just hanging from like a pipe
Yeah.
on the ceiling. Oh, this goes. Nobody's out front. So.
Oh, is that to the front?
Yeah. It's awfully hot in here.
Yeah.
Turn the AC up. There we go. We should be good now. It's on cold.
Nope.
Alright, this is wood and metal. Just be careful. Damn.
My leprechaun just fall through.
You stay there. Because if you fall through, I have to tell your husband that you died.
Yeah.
He looks a lot taller than me, so he's probably not going to be all right with that. You a Powerpuff Girl fan?
Not really, actually.
Oh, there's a Mojo Jojo over here, and Buttercup is in here. It's honestly not bad if you want to try it. Just walk with care. Are you good with climbing things?
No, that's really not.
Oh God.
Oh, no. Oh, God.
Damn.
I thought I got it all.
Damn. See, guys? That's why we walk across the cement blocks. Woo. Oh, that was kind of disappointing. This would have been cool like 10 years ago.
Yeah.
I think there's a car coming. I'll shut my light off. Maybe not. You hear it though, right?
Yeah.
All right. Just want to make sure I'm not bugging. Is that a shoe? That is a shoe. Maybe it's not a shoe. I don't know. Back there, is that a shoe?
I was gonna say that looks like a
Yeah,
shoe.
it looks like a shoe.
It's a destroyed shoe, but a shoe.
It always makes me wonder when there's like just one shoe. It's like, damn, bro. You just hopped out of here on 1 foot.
See, I think the worst. I'm like, that's where someone died.
And they just got dragged away.
Forgot a shoe behind.
Shit. Wow. There's a like a fluorescent light bulb, like one of those tube lights. Just chilling, just made it through. Old school Taco Bell. There's definitely a car right there.
Yeah.
Nice Coleman. I ain't gonna hold you, that sound like a truck. Like a destruction truck.
They started. Is it cops?
No, it's not cops. It's I'm trying to get it on the cam. I keep catching things like this. People gonna think I'm joking. It's gonna be fun. Oh, I think this is the this is where that this is where that door led to. Wow. That's wild. See? Oh shit. You just shut the door. Alright. Damn, can I zoom in? Alright guys, that red little blotch right there is the construction people's truck. Oh god. Alright guys, so we're still in the building. It looks like construction just showed up. So now we make our great escape. Let's get it. Alright guys, there's mad trucks outside now. Trying to find our way back out. It's all woods. There's the truck. Alright guys, we're making our way back out to where we came. Hopefully nobody's over there and we can get away scot-free. Alright guys, we made it. No vibes. We don't get caught. I said we don't get caught. Didn't even look.
I know.
That's crazy. Alright guys, so we made it out. Construction pulled up. We dipped. They didn't seem to care, but we made it seem like it was a James Bond mission to get out of there. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, smash the like button, hit subscribe, ring the bell to get notified, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.
Josh Breezzyy is a rapper who's coming out of Long Island, New York, and he's put out a couple of projects over the years. So if you want to find out more about him and check out his music, you can just take a look at the information box underneath this video.
In the street, on the news, what's today they gonna do? Tear gas, horseback, rubber bullet shot at you. Hands up, still shoot, on your knees, kill you.